Hi, in this video, I will show you how to view recovery phrase on Coinbase Wallet. So in order to do that, I have in here this help article from Coinbase themselves showing us how to recover the wallet. So you have in here this wallet recovery phrase. So they have a secret recovery phrase that is actually generated by a 12 word characters. So it's also known as a seed phrase. So only you should be able to have access to it. So if you lose your recovery phrase, you lose access to your Coinbase wallet and your funds will be at risk. So first things first, in order to actually retrieve it, you first need to make sure that your wallet has been backed up. So you can go to assets and settings, then select the wallet to back up, enter your passcode, and then click on allow. And you should be able to back it up on your iCloud or Google Drive. So from in there, if you actually back up your wallet, you should be able to actually get it. However, if you do not, then you won't be able to actually retrieve your account.